Welcome to the introduction to Streamlit. Streamlit is a web application framework that helps you build and deploy the Python based applications that can be used and share the analytics results. You can build a complex interactive experience and illustrate the machine learning models. We can even add widgets to the app that make the analytics report more interactive and dynamic. On top of that, developing and deploying the Streamlit app is incredibly fast and flexible, often turning the application development from days into hours. Why Streamlit? Data scientist has become increasingly valuable resource for companies. Data scientists make data-driven decisions, make process more efficient, and implement machine learning models to improve these decisions at repeatable scale. On plain point for data scientists isn't process just after they found a new insight or made a new model. However, there are a lot of challenges that every data scientist will face. Most commonly, for complicated data, the analytics becomes more complicated or sometimes requires a user input to do the analysis. In such cases, data scientists often fails for complicated analysis that build on each other or any other that requires user input. They create the Word documents or export their Jupyter notebook as a document that combines the text and visualizations, which does not work really well. Another option is to build entire web application from scratch using the frameworks like Flask and Django. But these are not everybody's cup of tea. Because for Flask and Django, they again require the certain skills like HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, etc. And moreover, deploying the entire web app in AWS and GCP or any other cloud platform requires another skill which is always difficult to achieve. None of these options really works well. Here is where Streamlit enters. Streamlit is all about speed and interaction. It is a web application framework that helps to build and deploy the Python based web application. And most important thing is it does not require you to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and say no to everything. Only it will use the Python to develop the web application. It has an inbuilt and convenient method for taking the user inputs, graphing using the most popular and powerful Python graphing libraries. Also, we can quickly deploy the entire application in minutes. I spent time building the Streamlit app for all different flavors, from data projects for all personal portfolios to build the quick applications for data science take-home projects. I truly believe that Streamlit could be the valuable to you and work it has been for mine. So you can accelerate your learning curve and get to the building application in minutes and hours instead of days. Let us begin our journey to the Streamlit. I will see you inside the class.